In this updated zeolite detox video, I'll explain how to use zeolite for a heavy metal detox. I will briefly explain what zeolite is, how it works, what heavy metals can it help to detoxify, and how to choose the best quality, safe product that actually works. As most zeolite products you'll find, including all liquid zeolites, are a complete waste of money. I'll also share how to take zeolite, how often, for how long, how to avoid side effects, and how much to take for best results. So firstly, what is zeolite and how does it work? Zeolite is a natural volcanic mineral formed from a chemical reaction between volcanic ash and alkaline groundwater. This process, occurring over thousands of years, results in a crystalline structure with a unique porous framework. Zeolite is a highly effective detoxification supplement. It helps to detoxify the body by capturing and removing harmful substances. It is also much gentler than other chelators. There are several different types of zeolites. When talking about zeolite, I refer to the natural zeolite, a mineral formed naturally over thousands of years. Natural zeolite is mined from the earth, unlike liquid zeolite, which is often created artificially in a lab. Zeolite clinoptilolite is the most common natural zeolite that is used for detoxification purposes. It should come in a powder form and be mixed with water before consuming it. Zeolite's unique cage-like structure and a negative charge enable it to effectively attract and trap positively charged toxins, heavy metals, and other harmful compounds such as pesticides, herbicides, and volatile organic compounds, commonly found in household and industrial products. Additionally, zeolite has shown promise in trapping and neutralizing specific radioactive isotopes. You might be wondering, will zeolite bind to your minerals, as some harsh chelating agents can deplete these to dangerous levels? The answer is no. Zeolite, containing natural occurring minerals within its structure, typically does not disturb essential minerals, vitamins, and nutrients in the body, as it favors the minerals it already holds. Zeolite will exchange its held minerals for heavy metals like mercury, lead, or arsenic. This selective binding property of zeolite allows you to consume it with food and supplements without concern for nutrient depletion. What heavy metals can you detoxify with zeolite? Zeolite helps to detoxify heavy metals, including aluminium, arsenic, barium, cadmium, gallium, lead, mercury, nickel, platinum, thallium, tin, tungsten, and probably many others. Some people who have amalgam fillings that contain mercury are concerned about taking zeolite, but I can assure you that zeolite only takes up mercury particles that have already detached from the fillings and otherwise would get stuck somewhere else in the body. Zeolite is particularly beneficial for individuals with mercury fillings, as these fillings continuously emit small mercury particles into the body. Now, a bit more on how zeolite detox works. Zeolite attracts toxins like a magnet. It takes them up into its cage-like structure. These dangerous substances become trapped in zeolite and are then safely and gently carried out of the body. Some people might be concerned about taking zeolite for detoxifying heavy metals because it contains aluminium. Zeolites are aluminosilicates and mainly consist of silicon, aluminium, and oxygen. Aluminium and silicon make up the basis of the structure, but it is so stable, impossible to break down, able to survive extreme high temperatures and other harsh environments, such as high acidity, that there's no potential risk for this aluminium staying in your body and causing toxicity. It acts as a molecular sieve, going through the body intact and trapping heavy metals. Then it gets excreted. Studies have shown zeolite removes aluminium and other heavy toxic metals from the body. Now let's discuss zeolite dosing. Depending on different zeolite particle sizes, it will have a different function and be able to trap different sized toxins or metals. Small particle size zeolite can travel deeper into the tissues and pull out heavy metals out of the body, while larger particle size zeolite stays in the gut and acts as a binding agent. It's important to use a zeolite product that combines various size particles for a comprehensive detox. Also, the dose needed to tap into heavy metals stuck in the body will depend on your current toxicity levels and your lifestyle. For someone who is relatively healthy and has a low toxin load, Taking the regular 5 grams daily dose might be enough to deal with the daily toxin load from foods, water, air, medicine, cosmetic, and self-care products, and also tap into heavy metals stuck in the body. For others, less healthy individuals who have more serious health issues, taking 5 grams a day could be enough only to deal with the daily toxin load. They would benefit from taking a higher dose if they want to get rid of heavy metals. For example, 10, 20, or even 30 grams a day to actually tap into those heavy metals stuck in their bodies. So someone who is 68 kilograms or 150 pounds, relatively healthy, this person should take around 5 grams of powdered zeolite daily. Mix it with a glass of water. You can simply add 5 grams and mix it with a wooden spoon and drink it before or after food. I like taking it around lunchtime. For someone who has more serious health issues, this would be the same amount of water, but 10, 20, or 30 grams of zeolite. 1 scoop or 1 tablespoon is around 5 grams, so 10 grams would be 2 scoops. You can try and see what works for you, and consult with your healthcare provider. As a general rule with zeolite, more is better. If you take not enough, let's say 1 gram, you are more likely to experience side effects, like a headache. In this case, you should take more. Taking 5 or more grams a day makes it less likely to experience side effects. Detox can be stressful on the body, and a small dose can just stir things up and not be enough to clear it out. Now, how long you should take zeolite for? This all depends on you, but a healthy lifestyle and detoxing is something we should do long term. We are exposed to high levels of toxicity on a daily basis. Zeolite should be taken for at least 1 month, ideally for 90 days. You can cycle in and out and repeat this heavy metal detox protocol for best results. Some people start tapping into heavy metals only after the first month or 2, so it's important to monitor how you feel, are your symptoms improving, potentially even monitoring the real change in your heavy metal levels. How to choose the best quality safe zeolite product that actually works. The quality of the product you choose will determine its effectiveness, safety, and even the presence or absence of side effects. As mentioned earlier, liquid zeolite products are a complete waste of money. Liquid zeolite products are often made from synthetic zeolite. They come in extremely small quantities. They won't detoxify anything, only cause side effects, and cost you a fortune. You should choose a reputable brand that makes the purest quality natural zeolite clinoptilolite powder with various particle sizes to meet your detox needs. And also it should be third-party lab tested. The best zeolite brand I've found so far is ZeoCharge by Zeolite Labs. They go the extra mile to make sure their product is the best on the market. It is third-party tested, meaning it is not contaminated with heavy metals and other impurities. It is mined from the cleanest source worldwide, suitable for human consumption. It is then carefully cleaned to remove any impurities and goes through a remineralization process to replenish the zeolite with natural ionic minerals from any potential mineral loss after the cleaning process. ZeoCharge product contains a special particle size arrangement that provides the most comprehensive and broad-spectrum zeolite detox. Additionally, ZeoCharge, unlike other zeolite products on the market, has been extensively tested and proven to work. It removes toxic metals without affecting your vitamin and mineral levels. In fact, it even improves your vitamin and mineral levels. You can find this product and get a 10% discount by using code GRETA. You'll find a link in the description of this video and also at the first comment. Thanks so much for watching. I hope I answered all your questions. I'm Greta, a holistic health coach. I've been taking zeolite for the past 2 years. If you found this video useful, like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel.